Hi, Jayla and David. This is Devin again. Thanks so much for speaking to me on the phone earlier, Jayla. In this quick video, I'm going to give you 3 simple tips so you can start beating ABF Roofing Lubbock. If you type in commercial roofing Lubbock, these guys show up first. I'm going to show you exactly how to beat them. And I know you serve more areas in Lubbock. I'm just showing you tips for this video, but you can apply these tips anywhere you want. I'll show you. You'll see what I mean in a second. I know you're probably asking why I would even make this video for you. It's simple. There's so many roofers out there that are so busy running their business, they just don't have the time to learn how to make the internet bring them more customers. And the only thing stopping them from hiring somebody to help them is they don't know who is an expert and who's not. So I started creating these attack plans and just giving them away for free. And most people take this information and just do it themselves, and that's awesome. Some people call me back and have me do it for them, and that's cool too. Whatever you want to do is totally okay with me. My only goal is to educate you and help you make a lot of money. I'm going to talk to you about 3 quick things today: content, backlinks, and citations. First off, though, you did a great job on the website. I don't know who designed it, but it's a very clean, very nice looking website. You've got tons of trust building here. You've got a link to your service areas, which is pretty awesome. And then it's just nice photos. It shows that you're obviously very commercial focused. It gives all of the different services you offer. Great job on your website. What Google cares about when it comes to ranking your website is content, which is all the stuff you can read. And the average website has about 1,500 words of content, at least the average website on the front page of Google. You're currently at 452, so you want to make sure you get that up. And I don't even know if ABF is near that. Let's see. No, they're only at 706. So even though they are beating you, that you still are able to blow them out of the water by getting yourself to 1,500 words. But it's going to allow you to fit in more keywords. And a keyword is a phrase somebody commonly types into Google to find your business. So for example, like commercial roofing Lubbock, commercial roof inspection Lubbock, commercial roofing companies Lubbock. These are all different keywords people type into Google when they're ready to purchase from you. So make sure that you put these kind of keywords inside of your content. If I go and I search your homepage here, you can see you don't have it anywhere inside of your page. You can also save your images as keywords too. So this is pretty close. Commercial roofing Lubbock, you could save that. All these other different images you can also save as, keywords. So that's my first tip for you, Jayla and David. My next tip for you is called backlinks. A backlink is when another website is linking to your website, driving traffic to your website. And this is important because Google's like a popularity contest in that they want to see trustworthy and relevant websites vouching for you. Keep in mind, though, like I said, they want to see trustworthy and relevant websites, so you're going to get a lot more power with other roofing and construction companies linking to you versus having like Pizza Hut linking to you, because Google knows you're not a pizza company. So the tool I use to check out backlinks is called Ahrefs, and you don't need to pay for this tool. Just Google backlink checker. You can find this information for free. It says you have 58 websites linking to you, while AF Roofing Lubbock only has 42 linking to them. Like I said, not all backlinks are created equal. You want to have ones that are more trustworthy and relevant. But they've done all the hard work for you. If I were you, I would copy all 42 of these websites and get them linking back to myself. Because if these 42 websites are good enough to rank ABF Roofing, they're going to be good enough to rank you too. And so I would just go to each of these websites one by one, just like they did, and put a link in each website back to my own. And a lot of times it's really easy. Like, for example, expertise.com. You create a profile, you put a link in your profile back to your website, and that's simple. You've got a backlink. So it's really simple. It just takes some time. But if you beat them with content plus you beat them with backlinks, those 2 tips alone are enough to get you ranked #1 organically here. And I would do ACR, but their website's not working, so they're about to lose their spot. Either way, here nor there. The last tip I've got for you is how to show up in the map section. If you want to be #1 in the map section, you just need to have more citations than your competitors. A citation is when you list your name, address, and phone number inside of a directory. And a directory is a website that allows you to list your business's information, such as Facebook has it, GAF, Yellow Pages, Angie, stuff like that. If I were in your shoes, I'd figure out what directories Andrus Brothers was in. I'd put myself in the same ones and add a bunch on top. So if Andrus Brothers was in like 150 directories, I'd be in at least 300. But that's all I've got for you, David and Jayla. I hope you guys found this informative and helpful. I tried to keep it short and to the point for you. As a quick recap, you want 1,500 words of content on this homepage with keywords inside of that content. You're going to want to take the websites that are linking to ABF Roofing and get them linking back to yourself. And finally, put your name, address, and phone number in more directories than Andrus Brothers Roofing. If you follow these 3 tips, this is how you become #1 across the entire front page of Google. And you're probably asking, what do I do now? You have 2 options. The first one is to take this information and do it yourself. This is a great route to go, and the sooner you get started on this, the less catching up you have to do. If you have any questions or you want any help getting this done, give me a call. My phone number is 469-352-2524. I'd be happy to hear your goals and give you a free attack plan on what to do next. Either way, it was great speaking to you on the phone earlier, Jayla. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. It was great meeting you, David, and I hope you guys have an awesome week. I'll see you later. Bye.